Assalamu alaikum, Omar Khatak here. Today we will learn about EBS, its component and troubleshooting. So let's start. EBS is electronic brake system. Now let's understand how it works. The pedal sensor senses how much hard the brake is pressed. The wheel sensor measures the rotation of wheel, that how much fast or slow the rotation is. The EBS device calculate how much pressure will be needed for the braking. This information is shared with the module, and then module regulate the braking. Now we have learned that how the EBS works. Now let's discuss its benefits. The benefit is it helps to avoid wheel lock. Means when there is EBS, there will be no wheel lock. It reduces avoid accident. It helps driver to maintain steering ability and directional control. It also helps for the comfort of the braking system. Also, when the driver drives the truck or the car in the curved surfaces, when there are centripetal and centrifugal forces applied on that, then there is a chance of toppling of the truck. So when there is EBS, then it avoids the toppling by maintaining better braking pressure at different wheels as per the requirement. So it is very beneficial in curvy traffic, or you can say that when there is a curved terrain driving. The system that we now discuss is EBS 3. In SITRAK, there is also EBS 5 system. The purpose of the EBS 3 or EBS 5 is the same, to regulate the brake pressure effectively, but they belong to different generation and have different additional component. Our focus will be on the EBS 3. So you can see these are the wheels where we have to control the brake pressure. This is the rear side. This is front side of vehicle. This is ECU. Okay. These are the modules that we discussed that regulate the pressure, that is implement the instruction of the EBS. Here you can see it is a single channel bridge control module, and here is the dual channel bridge control module. Inside the wheel there are sensors. This is the footfall that is responsible for measuring how hard the brake is applied. This is a trailer control module because the EBS also regulate the trailer brake pressure. All right. And this is this last component, we can say it. This is a trailer control valve. All right. So now we see that it has the component, the sensors, the module, the EBS, the trailer control module, the footwall braking system, the trailer's wall. Alright, And one thing we forget is this is called PCV, that is pneumatic control valve, or we say it ABS valve. Here you have to understand this whole circuit is electro-pneumatic. Some component takes electrical connections and perform the operation through air. Alright, so you have to keep in mind that two factors is involved. One is the electrical factor and one is the pneumatic factors. Alright, in the third portion of this video we will discuss the troubleshooting. Now let's discuss the troubleshooting of EBS. But going to troubleshoot, you must understand the electrical drawing, that how it is constituted, how you will decode and solve your problem. This A601 is basically the EBS module. Alright. This is single channel module. This is dual channel module. We already discussed. These are left right sensor of front side. These are left right sensor of the rear side. This is electronic stability control device. This is steering angle control. This is trailer valve. This is foot valve. These are the PCV valve. Alright, and that is the solenoid valve to control the rear brake system. Alright, these are different devices that are connected to the EBS, and the EBS control this. Also there are some input wires coming into the EBS. This wire is coming from relay. This is from instrument panel. This is the electronic stability control switch, which is located at the dashboard. These two wires is coming from the 7-pin socket of the trailer, and these 3 wire is coming from the fuse that is located in the junction box, or you can say the fuse box, and this wire is grounded. Alright, so we understand now the whole system. If there is any problem regarding the EBS, what you should do? Number first, connect the EOL and find the problem. Then using this diagram, you should trace that issue and fix it. Generally speaking, the problems may be in the sensor, that is when dusty, do not operate well and pass on the information. There may be some wire that is broken. Any wires can be broken that need to be replaced. If the ABS sensor is alright, the wires all right, the sensors have no malfunction. Like if there is dusty, so you clean it, but if it has malfunction, failure of the part, you should replace these parts and check all the connection. If everything is alright, then you should calibrate this EBS. Calibrate. If there is any problem in the SAS, before you check the continuity, before you check the wires, then it will need calibration. and so on. The ESC will also need calibration. And you see there are different valves, that is the trailer valve is there, the PCV valve is there, and there is another valve here to control the rear brake pressure. You know that these devices have different seal, so that maybe there is some seal leak and the pressure is not regulated as instructed by the EBS. So you should check it. I hope in this video you understand the EBS function, how it works, the benefit, the component of EBS3 in SITRAK, and also you learn how different things are connected and what can be the fault, what will be the first way to proceed into the troubleshooting, that is consulting and applying the knowledge given by EOL, and then using the general sense to solve the problem. Alright, if you have a EBS5 system or other system and you want to understand and there is any problem, you can comment in the video. We will reply to you to solve the problem and enable you to understand and troubleshoot better. Thank you very much.